Hello everyone, are you looking for a free open source ERP that's powerful and very easy to use? In today's video, I will walk you through ERPNext, one of the most beginner friendly ERP system in this world. We will cover what it is, how to set it up, how to use its key feature and everything. So for those who don't know, that is ERP stands for Enterprise Resources Planning, which means it helps manage your entire business, sales, inventory, accounting, HR, projects, CRM and more all in one place. What makes ERP special is that it's free to use, easy to customize, and built for real businesses. From manufacturers to service provider, you can host it on your own server or use the cloud version. In this year, the latest version is even smoother with a clean dashboard, fast navigation, and powerful automation. So when you first log in into ERP, just search for it, and here you will get this ERP, that is open source cloud ERP, that is by Frappe. And here just go and click on it and you will come up here. So before starting further, I just want to show you the pricing, because yeah, it's free. But yeah, for small businesses, you can see here it charge you around some dollars. That the currency is different here, so you can check it in your country what how much it costs, right? And here you can pause the video and you can check out all these benefits, or you can come to this website and you can get to know. So here, once you just go and click on start free trial, you will come up here something like this, right? And once you're here, this is how it's going to look like. So this is a home. So home will give you entire dashboard, complete information what is happening in your company. So when you log in for the first time, ERP next asks you for your for your company name. So for example, let's just go and click on create account. So click on start free trial, and here you can use your normal email. I'm going to use my Google email, and this is how you can just create your first account. Now let's set up your site. So here you can just write, for example, let's say I'll just write here Firefox Express, right? And this should be no space here, and click on create site. Within few seconds, your account will get set up. Select your language and everything here, your currency, and make sure you fill up all this information here. This is your company information, so make sure you fill this up and just go and click on complete setup. Now ERPNext will auto create a basic chart for your accounts, or you can import your own if you're already using accounting software. You can invite your team, which I will show you. So basically this is home here, and let's take the demo account. In this I will able to show you in a proper way. So this is a dashboard, right? And it will show you everything. For example, if I want to check the chart of accounts, so here I can just click on it and I will line up here. So let's go start by accounting here. So this is a accounting. It helps you to create payments, entries from income and expense, track receivable, payables, and generate reports like P&L, profit and loss, balance sheet, and cash flow, all from account modules. So here I can just go and check out the company, and it will show me the entire information here. Let's say I want to check the bank accounts, and it is showing, right? Now in this way, this is basically the buying and selling. So whatever you are making any kind of purchase or PO, you will able to find it, whether it's on credit or whether it's on you just purchased by using cash or something. It will show up everything. By the way, it is very simple to use. The interface is very nice, because if you want to change any kind of settings, you can go here. I don't want to make a long video, because if I just go and explain every feature here, this video will become 3 to 4 hours long. Same goes selling. So whatever you're selling, how much you have sold, whether it's in quarterly, monthly, or per annum, everything will show up here. What's the item and what's the stock, everything will show up here. So obviously we have a different section for stocks. So here I can check its stocks, where it is and what's the status of each and everything. So basically inventory and items, you can add items to your inventory here, and you can consider inventory for stock, selling, and buying here, so don't get confused. Right now this then tracks stock movement using stock entries, deliveries, and purchase receipts. It even supports batch tracking and warehouse. Now this is asset. So what asset does your company hold, whether it's a fixed asset or whether this is a liquid asset, will completely show up here. You can just check this out. Now this is a HR. So HR is regarding that is a human resource. So how many people are working in your company, what's your team size, and where they are from. If your company have a branch, so it will show everything, every information. This is payroll. So for every end of the month, you have to pay to your employees and everything to your freelancers. So this is basically your HR department. Now this is a manufacturing. So if you're into manufacturing, then it will show up everything here. and you can just go and check everything. I think you guys might be much more familiar with CRM. So CRM is basically here, and this is really important for most of the people, right? So here you can just get to know, right? For example, if you create any lead and automatically if that it is converted into opportunity, they're your customers, right? You can just add it. For example, let's say I want to add a customer, I can just go and click on plus customer on the top right side corner, and all this information will be added up here, and I can just save it, and automatically that customer will show up here. Now that customer could be my lead and it could be my deal, whatever it is. So you can just create a proper funnel pipeline. Now this is a QA, so basically what's the quality check, what's your quality goals, right? And here your procedures, your SOPs, you will find it here. All the projects which is upcoming and which is going right now will show up here, so you can just go and check out very specific project, and you can just check what's the status of each and everything. Now this is regarding support. So obviously if you're running a company, if you're selling something, then obviously there would be some issues, right? And here your customers or your clients could raise some kind of tickets here, so it will help you to fix each and everything. Now this is not related to ERP next setting, is not related to any of the features. This is a setting of ERP itself. So here you can just change the basic things here. For example, if you want to change account settings, right, it's completely up to you, whether the stock settings, buying settings, and CRM settings here. So it's pretty much very simple and easy to use, right? So you get over 100 plus reports by default, from sales, stocks to profit, tax, and summaries. You can also build custom dashboards. By the way, the normal dashboard, it is very easy to use, but yeah, you can use charts and KPIs, so your business data is always visible at a glance. All reports can be filtered, exported, and scheduled to your inboxes. So, and there you have your beginner guide of ERP Next. If you found this helpful, give it as a like and drop your questions and comments. Thanks for watching and subscribe.